how can we add a proper bar chart in Canva Sheets? First, I recommend to select the data range. So in my case, products and quantity. So I'm going to select that with my mouse. This way I can give a hint to the program which area I want to represent on the chart. Then click Magic Charts here at the top, Magic Charts, and they will give you some options. By default they gave me this pie chart, but I can easily switch to bar chart and take a look. You can also adjust the area of the data that we want to take for this chart. In my case, A1 to B16, exactly what I have selected. With that, you can click on the miniature of the chart to insert this to our existing spreadsheet. From here, we can make some basic transformations, like we can simply pull those transformation boxes around it to scale it differently. And if you click on that chart, now at the top, you will notice that we got properties of the text used in that chart. We got the main color of the chart that can be switch and change. We can round corners on those bars. We can add additional spacing between them. And same for the padding of the whole box. By default, we got white backdrop, but you can actually make it transparent if you like. This way you can see what's around the chart in the spreadsheet. You can always click Edit at the top left to modify the type of the chart, modify the range, so the data we are taking for this chart. We can even apply a color scheme. In our case, we got only product name for the second axis, so that's what we can take colors for. Not super helpful, but definitely more colorful than just having one thing. And then you can modify all of those colors here at the top manually, so that's nice touch. Alright, so everything can be adjusted and edited after you add the chart. You can even aggregate data. You can make like the average or sum. All of that if you got more complex data set than me. In my case, I got just 2 columns, so it's rather simple. If you don't want the chart to be easily moved or manipulated, you can lock it. And now you will not move it by mistake. Okay, so that's how you can insert a simple bar chart in Canva Sheets. First, select your data range. Second, click Magic Charts and select the type of the chart. If you are happy, just click on the preview to add it to your existing sheet. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.